Ka sorkar Jylla ka Buh Thong bakan iakhun tyngeh khnang biki Liengsuiñ ki kham he na kylleng ki bynta jong kari kinwan ban Kamai ha Meghalaya da ka hiar hakat Liengsuiñ jong ko Umroi ka Ri Bhoi Distrik. Haba kren bikila pathai Khubor Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad K Sangma shen unselet Delhi bani kynduh ka sorkar pdeng ban buddien biang Haba yadei bakate ka jingtmu. Conrad upen pau ba ndala biang ka jaka hiar jeng ki Liengsuiñ ha Umroi klem artatin ki Liengsuiñ ki bahe kin wan bet ban Kamai bat kani kan serap ban kintiu ya ka Kamai ka ji jong ka Jylla na ba kinong wan ka sya ka Jylla kin hiar bet hakat Liengsuiñ jong ka Jylla. Ulai thu baka sorkar Jylla kala buddien ru na ka sorkar pdeng khnang bakan sedang no ya ka jing Kamai ki Liengsuiñ na Shillong Shatura.
When it comes to the airport, I'm very particular that the flights as fast as possible, the commercial flights should land in Umroi. And even yesterday we had a meeting. I'm having a meeting tomorrow, day after tomorrow in Delhi also for this. And in the first week of February again we'll be having a meeting with stakeholders. Government of India is giving full support for this. I hope very soon direct commercial flights will land from Delhi and other places, and I believe that that is going to be one of the biggest game changers for our state, especially when it comes to sectors like tourism and even education and overall growth of our state and accessibility for the people of our state and for people from the tourists from outside to come and experience our state. So this is one thing that I'm very keen, and I'm hopeful that will move in the right direction. Cannot really pinpoint and say that it will be on this month or this particular year, but I hope it will be very soon. Earlier we were made to understand that it's something that cannot happen because the technical feasibility is not there. That it is after our, you can say, determination that we said that why cannot it happen, and we got our technical specifications re-looked into. We got different expertise to come in and technical experts to come in and recheck the entire provisions, and airport authority to relook into the entire aspect. And we're so happy that we did that, because when we did it, because a lot of people said that there's no use doing it because they've already said we cannot land big planes here. But we said, look, let's give it a try. So when we did that, the technical report said now that with the new technologies available, it is possible. And Indigo and other airlines like Spice have already given in writing that if the extension of the runway is done in this manner and the other provisions as per prescribed by airport authority are implemented, they will be landing the commercial flights in, that is the A320 flights in Umroi airport. So I'm hopeful that that will happen very soon. Another important thing which we're looking at is the flight connectivity between Shillong and Thura. Again, I'm happy to tell you that we are working on it very hard. I'm not talking about it much, but since you asked me, I'm talking now. We have had multiple meetings on this aspect, and there are, Government of India in its recent Udan scheme also has included that sector. I hope that that is one area that should happen, but of course, again, it's too early for me to give any kind of a 100% commitment, but it should happen very soon.